Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we have a bit of news today about Intel. Intel that has a few changes at the top of its company, as the company is struggling quite a lot to try to keep its market leader position, basically. Not investing enough and being a little behind in everything that's NPUs and seeing that ARM processors have now entered the PC market more seriously. Intel has a hard time keeping up. So it has been announced that Intel will be laying off up to 20% of its workforce. That is actually anywhere from at least 10,000 employees and more. 20% would mean more in towards of the 20,000 employees, but it also will be two waves of layoffs this year. So the first one is at least 10,000, and I would guess that maybe by the end of the year, the other 10,000 for a complete 20%. So that's a lot of people. It's high-paid jobs, and this all has to do with the fact that revenues are not keeping up. Intel has a hard time with the competition. And it's fierce out there. I mean, AMD's pretty much very, very tough competition right now. And the ARM processors now, and of course, new ARM processors, including some from NVIDIA coming to the market, mean that competition is there. It's going to be fierce. And think about the removal of all the Mac computers from Intel. That also must hurt, as for a long time Intel was the main company that was actually giving up selling CPUs for Mac computers. But now with Apple making its own chips and the PC side getting more into ARM processors, Intel needs to find a way to boost its sales and needs to probably have some more innovation, basically. So 10,000 employees now, probably another 10,000 by the end of the year. That doesn't sound good for a company that once was the market leader everywhere. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.